In this video, we will look at the steps to generate external app's email password for your Gmail account and use the app password to send mails from Tally Prime using Gmail server. When you want to send an email from an application like Tally Prime with your Gmail ID as the sender, the email will go through Gmail servers first. To authenticate mails that originate from external app or device, Google has set a verification process. As part of this process, you have to enable the two-step verification for your Google account and generate the app password. The app password is a code that gives apps or devices permission to access your Google account. In case you have already set up the two-step verification, you can directly go to Generate App Password. To enable two-step verification for your Google account, log in to your Gmail. Click on the profile pic. Click Manage your Google account. Click Security on the left pane. You will see that two-step verification is off. Click two-step verification. In the next screen, click Get Started. Google asks for verification. Enter your Gmail password. Enter the password and click Next. You will get the second step to sign in option. The default backup option is phone. You have other options also. Here we are using the phone option. Click Continue. Enter your phone number and click Send. The verification code is sent to your phone number. Enter the code and click Next. You will get the e-step verification turn on screen. Click Turn on to on the two-step verification. The two-step verification is turned on. You can turn it off whenever you need it. Click the back arrow to go back to Security main page. Scroll down. You will now see the app password option. To set the app password, click App Password option. Google asks for verification. Enter your Gmail password and click Next. You have to select the app and device for which you want to set password. Select Mail in the app field and Windows Computer in the device field. With this, you can use Mail app from a device running on Windows Computer. Click Generate. The authentication process generates and displays your app password for Windows device. Copy and save this password. You must enter this password every time you use Windows device like Tally Prime to send mail using Gmail account. Click Done. Sign out of your Google account. Now, to send mail from Tally Prime using the Gmail account with app password. In Tally Prime, go to any voucher or report that you want to mail. Press Alt-M and select Current. In the Email from field, select or enter your Gmail ID. In the Email to field, enter the mail ID of the recipient of the mail. Enter the subject and message of the mail. Press Enter. You will see that mail is being sent in HTML format. To change the format, click Configure. Go to File Format option and press Enter. Select the required format and press Enter. Press Ctrl A to return to email screen. Click Email or press M. The email authentication screen appears. Enter the app password that was generated for your Google account. Press Enter. The email is sent. The recipient will receive the email with your Gmail ID as the sender. We have sent a mail from Tally Prime using Gmail ID with app authentication password. If you lose the app password, you can delete the existing app password by logging into your Gmail account and generate a new one. By setting up two-step authentication and generating app password, you can send mails from Tally Prime and other apps on a computer or phone with Google ID as sender.